It's cleaning day around here, which means it's time to practice mindfulness. Coming up, we'll talk about what mindfulness is and learn a 3-step technique to turn the mundane into the mindful. So I'm sitting here in my shower. Don't worry, I have all my clothes on. This is still a family-friendly video. And today, this shower is gonna teach us mindfulness. No guru, no meditation on a mountaintop, just cleaning a shower that is very, very full of grout. So what is mindfulness? Well, it means being fully present in this moment. No judgment, no right or wrong, just being here and being aware of thoughts, emotions, and sensations in our body. And not being reactive or getting upset, but gently accepting where you are and what you're doing. Now, I found that the events of my everyday life, like cleaning a shower, are the ones that really help me to hone my ability to pay attention. So here's the tip. Whatever you're doing right now in this moment, whether it's scrubbing a toilet, raking leaves, or cleaning your shower, whatever you're doing in life right now, take that as an opportunity to practice mindfulness. So using this shower cleaning experience, I'll tell you how. First, set your intention to do the task. Put your focus right where you are, as if the whole purpose of your life is this moment, to be completely immersed here in this activity. That means instead of wishing you were anywhere else in the world but cleaning a shower, embrace the task. Don't resign yourself to it, embrace it. Second, be fully present for the task as you do it, and all the little tasks involved. Notice them, pay attention to them. For me, that means being fully conscious as I put on the yellow gloves, feeling that sensation on my skin, and really hearing the sound of the brush as I scrub, following the path of that brush, back and forth, back and forth. How does it feel going along the tile? How does it sound in my ears? How does it feel in my body? And third, if I find my mind straying from a task as I do it, I reset my focus back to what I'm doing. Yes, even scrubbing shower tiles. And that's the key. When your mind wanders, simply return your focus back to what you're doing right now. When you practice mindfulness, your mind will pull you into the future or drag you back into the past. That's what minds do. They give you a million things to think about other than what's happening right now. So instead, create a new habit of focus. Use whatever you're doing right now to help you do that. A teacher of mine once said, the purpose of your life is whatever you're doing right now. And if that applies to a hike in the mountains or a vacation or any of the other wonderful moments in your life, then it also applies to cleaning your shower, because that's how we practice mindfulness. That's how we get out of the cycles of discontent in our life. We get out of the cycle of good and bad. It's how we remove ourselves from the cycles of disappointment when a moment doesn't work out the way we want it to, or a person doesn't treat us how we want to be treated. Look, when we're doing fun things, it's easy to be mindful. It's easy to want to be mindful, to want to really soak in that moment and be there for it. But when it's something we don't really want to do, those are the things that are really there to help us practice mindfulness. So when you have a task to do, a chore to do, don't judge the moment. Don't judge the task. Just be with it. Just be in the shower. Let me know if this tip is working out for you, and keep practicing. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe or leave a comment if you haven't already, and check out episodes of the Nobody Guide to Life podcast on your favorite listening platform or on my YouTube playlist. There's interviews with special guests and even more tips and tools for personal and spiritual growth. Until next time, keep practicing.